Hello everyone, this is Fosun. Today, I will share the effect of HUD post-synthesis. Okay, let's turn off the others first. It's a bit laggy. Let's reduce it to half. This is the original tire. And then some HUD technology is synthesized. This project was done before. Let's take a look at the rendering. And lock the camera. The project of the car fabric. Actually, just bring the tire over here. Let me briefly explain. Lock the camera. There are several parts here. One is a highlight area, reflecting some highlight strips. These are some highlights on the side. This is the main light, which is equivalent to the whole. Then, we add some supplementary lighting to the whole. You can see here. The material is a metal hub and some black matte tires. Here, a little tightness is added. There is a little blurring effect on the back to focus on the entire tire. There is a camera animation that zooms in from small to large. This is the effect after we composited it. Now let's see how it was made. First, we select this area. And select a plane here. And put it below. Okay, clean it up. Move it out. Modify it, and we can reduce the axis here a little bit. Okay, just put it here. Then right-click. Add a label to the render. After adding it, don't worry about it. Just leave it here. Open Render Settings. Save here. There is a file composition project. Check all the files, including 3D data. Then click Save Project File here. Okay, then we find the location and change the name. 0101. Okay, it's exported. Let's copy this and expand it. And here. And delete all the compositing ones. It's a simple rendered animation. Next, import the one we just selected. The AEC file we just saved. Import. Find it. It should be this one. Okay, drag it over. After opening it here, it is a section of animation like this. One thing to note is that the duration of the timeline here must be selected well. Select all. Then we re-export it. Still this one. Change to V2 and save. You can delete this one here. Okay, re-import this V2. Okay, drag this over so that the time length is correct. Copy the camera and the plane. Let's take a look. Now it is fixed in the middle. It's a three-dimensional space coordinate. It also exports the position of our camera in the software, the position of the camera. Here, I have prepared some. These HUD technology frames. And change it to this screen overlay method. Turn on the three-dimensional layer. Open the three-dimensional layer. First, press P to bring up the coordinates. Hold down the Ctrl and C keys to copy to our ring. Ctrl plus V to paste. Then press the R key to bring up the rotation properties. Hold Ctrl and C to copy it. Then select this one and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. OK, make it smaller. A ring is fixed here. Here, you can directly rotate the rotation axis on the screen. Rotate 90 degrees. OK, now it's fixed in the middle. This is the effect we want. Next, we can add a tint to it. And then add a glowing plugin. Make it smaller, including this, to make it a little bit. A red, orange feeling. Make it brighter. OK, like this. A technological frame for tracking is good. Now, we just need to duplicate this layer. Hold down Ctrl and D to copy. OK, let's select another one. Left-click and drag without releasing, and move it to the position of the number 7. Hold down the Alt key and release it, and it will directly replace. C. Same operation. Select another one and drag it. Hold down the Alt key and release it on this layer. It can also be replaced. You can make it smaller. Place it a little in the middle. 2.5 is good, almost. In this way, you can stagger the timeline a little bit. One is to composite the HUD. Hold down Ctrl and D to duplicate a layer. And add some others, such as this one, and put it in the middle. OK, press Ctrl and D to duplicate it. Then, raise its Z-axis. To create a sense of space. To give it a sense of space. Click on this to remove the keyframe. Remove the small stopwatch in front. OK. This is a kind of in post-production software to make this HUD, this kind of technological frame. This method is also good. Duplicate it again. Then move it up a bit. Duplicate it again. And a little down. OK. For the two above, to make them smaller. You can make a keyframe for it. For example, select the P position. And make a keyframe here, and then make another one. Go back to the previous step. Look at this. Hold down Ctrl and C to copy the keyframe position. Then press Ctrl and V. Select this one, and then press Ctrl+ to copy it to the middle position. This can have a separation of such a step. OK. Right-click to select the slow in and slow out. With a longer duration, play it. OK, this is a more convenient way for doing HUD effects in post-production. OK, let's summarize briefly. One is to right-click here to render. And add this label here. And then use it as a positioning point after exporting. Then, check all these options in the Save section. Then save the project file. It will export an AEC file. Double-click on this panel here. And select the AEC file we just exported, and then import it. After importing, it will create a composition automatically. Inside, there is 1x1, which contains a camera and a positioning point. Okay, copy it. We don't need to worry about the camera. The positioning point can be copied with its position and rotation to the object we want to track, for example, this ring. Then you can position it. You can also change the color here to make it a little redder. And for the others, to make it a little different. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.